Scanning the skies for the best DJI drone? Whether you're a novice pilot or a seasoned flyer, this list will help you get off the ground. A proven ace among drone makers, DJI has flying machines for every kind of aerial videographer. And because we've tested all of them, this video is sure to help you land the ideal DJI drone for your needs. And as always, you can check for pricing on any of these products in the description below. If I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So, let's go ahead and get started. Number 6. DJI Avata. The new DJI Avata at 410 grams, the Avata is half the weight of its predecessor. And this smaller and more nimble design also sports a better camera. Depending on what bundle you buy, you can also get it with the latest DJI goggles too. The DJI Avata is a better considered and more sedate entry into the world of FPV flying than its predecessor. But it falls into the space between camera drone and FPV hardware that might not satisfy either objective as effectively as more dedicated solutions. For those that don't get motion sick and have open spaces to let the Avata off its leash, then it can be a blast to fly. But getting this experience also comes with a significant investment. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SE. The Mini 2 SE is a minor update to the popular Mini SE. The closest DJI came to a budget offering. We doubt it's a coincidence that DJI chose the same SE as Apple does for its lower spec, cheaper devices. Just like the iPhone SE, this also an older casing. If it weren't for the name on the arm, it'd be hard to distinguish it between the Mini SE, or from DJI history fans, the Mini 2 airframe that came before that. The camera specs remain the same too. The big change here from the previous Mini SE is that it uses the O2 radio system, a more recent version which doubles the bandwidth and increases the range to 10 kilometers. This doesn't just bring clearer, more reliable preview video on the phone. It also brings the RC-N1 controller seen on most drones on this list. I much prefer this more robust controller. This is a great choice as a first-time drone. And although on the spec sheet the 2.7K camera might seem limited, that's the resolution of most phone screens, so for many this will be all you need. DJI hasn't been able to resist putting on good quality 3-axis gimbals so the camera is so steady the picture looks better than most 4K budget drones. Manual exposure is available too, just not raw. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 was released later than the Pro model, and is essentially a cutback version with a more attractive price point. You still get a 1 to 1.3 inch sensor that can record up to 4K 30 FPS with true vertical shooting. It flies just as well too. In fact, the Mini 3 can fly for longer on the standard battery, as it's marginally lighter. You do lose out on obstacle avoidance sensors though, and it makes it harder to recommend for beginners despite its attractive price point. It also uses the older O2 transmission system, so it can't go as far as its pricier sibling. If you're looking for a small drone that can take quality photos and videos, and you're on a tighter budget, then the Mini 3 is an excellent pick. Just be careful, as with no obstacle avoidance to help you out, you might find yourself climbing trees more often than you like. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 puts both a 24mm wide-angle and a 70mm mid-telephoto lens on its gimbal-stabilized camera, giving pilots lots of creative options. Its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system is a boost for automated camera moves and follow-me flights, as well as makes the drone all but crash-proof for manual flight. It has a long battery life, sharp 4K video, and good still image quality complete the package. If you think the DJI Mini 4 Pro single camera is too limiting, but don't want to spend a huge amount on the Mavic 3 Pro, then the Air 3 is the in-between drone to get. It matches the Mini 4 Pro's main camera quality, so the second camera is the main reasons to upgrade. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI's new flagship is the first consumer drone with 3 cameras. This is 2 more than most pilots need. But if you're an aerial photographer or videographer in search of the most versatile drone on the market, the results of our testing suggest that the Mavic 3 Pro is the premium pick for you. In our review, we found the image quality of the main 24mm 4/3 camera, the same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic, to be the best. It's also the winner in terms of adjustable aperture, formats, and frame rates. That said, both telephoto cameras' excellent images and the option to zoom in 3x and 7x is fantastically useful in a range of scenarios. Despite being a pro drone, we found the Mavic 3 Pro incredibly easy to fly, aided by excellent safety features that make it accessible to all users. That said, its pro-tier video modes, as well as its price tag, make it overkill for beginners. Its weight also puts it into the restrictive C2 European drone category. But if you want a top-spec drone that's more portable and less expensive than the Inspire 3, the Mavic 3 offers it all, plus 2 telephotos. And coming in at number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro builds on the qualities of the Mini 3 Pro to become the new benchmark for what the sub-250G drones can deliver. One aspect of the Mini 4 Pro that can't be ignored, though, is that despite being the closest mini-series drone to the DJI Mavic 3 models and the DJI Air 3 in terms of flight and safety features and some camera functionality, it's more of an incremental update over the Mini 3 Pro than a radical upgrade. It looks remarkably similar, performs almost identically in flight, and even uses the same impressive 1 and 1.3 inch sensor. And for current Mini 3 Pro owners, there could be a sense of frustration as many of the camera upgrades could likely have been delivered via firmware updates. The Mini 3 Pro remains a fantastic drone though, despite it not being quite as robustly featured as the Mini 4 Pro. But if you're upgrading from an older model or coming into the Mini series for the first time, the Mini 4 Pro is an excellent choice. Whether you're a professional drone pilot using the Mini 4 Pro as a second drone who can benefit from the D-Log M video color consistency with your Mavic 3, or an enthusiast looking for something small and lightweight, the Mini 4 Pro is undoubtedly the best sub-250G drone available. And that wraps up our flight through the top DJI drones of the year. To quickly recap, the DJI Avata offers a thrilling FPV experience with its lightweight and nimble design, perfect for those seeking an adrenaline-packed flight, but with a significant investment. The DJI Mini 2 SE is the budget-friendly champ, ideal for beginners and amateur pilots with its impressive aerial capabilities, though with limited obstacle sensing. For those balancing price with performance, the DJI Mini 3 shines with its quality imagery and extended flight time, though it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors. The DJI Air 3 stands out with its dual-lens camera and advanced features, making it a great middle ground for creative flyers who seek versatility without breaking the bank. For professionals, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate choice, boasting 3 cameras, exceptional image quality, and easy flying dynamics, though it does come with a premium price tag. And lastly, the DJI Mini 4 Pro emerges as the top contender in the sub-250G category, blending advanced features with portability, making it an excellent choice for both enthusiasts and pros. Each of these drones has its unique strengths, and your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Whether you're just starting to look to upgrade, DJI has a drone that's just right for you. Don't forget to check the description for pricing discounts and our detailed comparison articles. If you have any questions or experiences with these drones, drop them in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. And until next time, keep your eyes on the sky and fly safe.